How to add the Outlook calendar widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. After that, scroll down, then tap on Outlook. And in here, drag on the calendar widget and drop it onto the home screen. And in here, select a calendar that you would like to include in the widget. Then tap on the Add Widget button at the bottom to add the widget to the home screen. Now you can drag on one of the handles here to resize your calendar. So you can make it wider or taller or shorter. And that's it. That is how you can add the Outlook calendar widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.